Hey guys, in this video we're still thinking about creating simple plans and diagrams. In the last video we talked about a rough bird's eye view and we had an example of a classroom. In this video I'm going to do a different simple plan or a different simple diagram. This simple diagram is called a network map. And a network map is a type of map which shows the connections between things. It's a map which shows connections between things. And the most common example is a public transport map. So I'm going to draw an example of a network map. Just next to me I've got this sort of information up to help me because I don't quite know it off the top of my head. But I'm going to draw part of the Mernda train line, if you're familiar with the Mernda train line. So I'm going to start here at Epping Station. And the first convention I'm going to show you is that an arrow indicates that this network does continue in this direction, but I'm not going to include that in my map. And then there is a connection from Epping Station to LO4 Station. LO4, and then from LO4 there's a connection to Tomo, and from Tomo a connection to Keon Park, a connection to Ruthven. You get the idea. The lines that I've drawn aren't strictly important. How long they are doesn't matter. The measurements aren't what this map is trying to show. It's not trying to show the distances, it's just trying to show the connections. So when we look at this map, I know that Thomastown is connected to LO4 and it's also connected to Keon Park via the train. I'm going to continue this for a bit more after Ruthven is Reza. And I want to continue this do I have enough room? Maybe I don't. Alright, I'm not going to worry about that. But alright, for now I'm just going to show that that line continues in this direction. If you are familiar with the Clifton Hill, so this is a different map. At Clifton Hill, double F? I'm not sure. No, Clifton Hill. Clifton Hill connects to, I think it's Vic Park, is that right? Yeah. To Victoria Park. It also connects to Russell. Double L? Russell, yep. And it connects to Westgarth. So this is a different sort of network because we can see here that Clifton Hill actually connects to 3 different places. And I just wanted to show that example and how the network would represent that. I should indicate an arrow here because we know that this train continues going in toward the city. I'm just going to put that straight through my line. And that's the Mernda line, and this is the Hurstbridge. The Hurstbridge line going out this way. So in your task, what you're going to do is create something just like this, a section of train line. You can use the Mernda line if you want, if that's the most familiar, or you can use some other line. And you're going to draw a diagram which looks either just like this, or it could have different names on it if you pick a different train line. And by doing that, you will create a network map.